In the last episode, we picked up the wood for our cabinets and we skimped the bathrooms. This week, we start assembling the cabinets, we do some paint work, and we install the sanitary. So after we sorted out all the wood, putting the same sizes together, we started assembling some of the cabinets. The bedroom cupboard was one of the first cabinets that we assembled. We built it on the floor and then we pick it up. Okay, with the cabinet now in place, we could screw it to the walls. We decided to put 4 drawers in the bottom that we can use for shoes and underwear. In the other bedroom, we did the same. With the doors on, you could get a better picture of what the end result will be. Mom was also helping, but apparently she was a bit bored. I also installed the lights in the bathroom and in the bedroom. So Andre came in and he started painting the interior walls of the lounge and the kitchen and the dining room. And Alfie decided to help him. I can't stop looking at the view through this window. With the walls now almost painted and the scaffolding in place, we started to install the ceilings in the kitchen. In the exterior walls, we also started painting the frames around the windows. With the paint on the outside, it makes a huge difference. Some of the barge boards was already installed, so Alfie will paint them for us. Those that weren't installed yet, we'll paint them before we install them. So last week we skimmed the bathroom walls and now we need to seal them. So Alfie is applying the sealer to the bathroom walls. So with the walls sealed, we can now install all the sanitary ware. Toilet's in place and it's working. So the shower column is also now installed. Now for the cabinets with the basins. The basin cabinet is suspended from the wall, so it's a floating cabinet. We bolt it into the wall. Okay, the cabinet is done, the mixer is up, silicone seal at the back. It's looking good and there's no leaks. I also built this little step in the corner of the shower. So now it's time for the shower door. Voila, it's in and looking good. Okay, we're in the workshop in George and I'm manufacturing the staircase. This will be the first flight of stairs until you get up to the landing. And from the landing you walk on the stairs that's above the lower bathroom. So this needs to be welded up properly and then we send it for powder coating. But first we'll install it and see if it's working fine. There you go, installed, and I think this is what we want. So thanks for watching. Be sure to come back next week to see what we're doing.